Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a really cool 1972 Chevrolet Nova. It's packing a 454 big block, a TH350 automatic, and Yukon 355 gears in the rear. It's painted silver with black interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. So this is a really nice body up restoration on this car. A lot of new parts went in this car. Here's the bottom of your trunk lid. Here's your trunk. So we got nice new carpet in the rear here. We have a subwoofer back there, a kicker amp. So we got a nice stereo system here. I'll lift the carpet up here. You can see it's nice and solid. All right, and we'll close the trunk lid now. And let's zoom out and show you the roof. So you can see the paint looks great. Glass looks very good. Minor scratches here and there. The bright work looks good. Some original, some new. So we'll go over some of that. Here is your Rally Nova decal on the trunk lid. And then we do have the SS tail panel back here, the Nova badge there. The bumper appears to be original. I see a little ding there, but a little patina there, but very nice, very presentable still. We have the dual exhaust down below, and look how large those are. Those really stand out. Let's take a look underneath from the back here. So you can see it looks great. The floor pan is brand new. It's been replaced. And let's check out these wheels now. So look how great these wheels look on this car. So we got US mags, a 20-inch chrome wheel on the rear, and it just looks so good. It fills up that wheel well. We have Bridgestone tires all the way around the vehicle. We have a 235/45 R20 in the rear. And we have the drum brakes in the rear. They are painted silver, as you can see. And we have the leaf springs have been re-arched. So it's got a nice stance to it. And then we put new springs in the front here, and you can see we have a nice staggered wheel. So we have a, where's the size here? A 225/40 R18 in the front. So an 18 and a 20 gives you that small, big look, and it looks great on these muscle cars. All right, we got disc brakes in the front as well, with red calipers there. So you can definitely drive this car around. A nice street car. All right, let's check out the door panel here. So door panel looks great, nice and black. Here's your handle here. I'll put that up. The windows go up and nice. Some originality here, so some patina there and there, but again, looks great. Door handle. Let's show you the dash over here. Looks great, no rips or tears. It's painted up nicely as well. Open the glove box here. You can see it's got the original stickers here, so that looks good. Here's your door jambs, body by Fisher kick plate. And let's check out the rear seat here. There we are. Got the seat belts in here. Here's your package tray. That looks great as well. We have kicker speakers in the on the tray there, and we also have kicker speakers in the front over here. So we got a nice stereo system in this car. All new carpet, again, new floor pan as well. We got the Chevrolet rubber mats, and we have some custom bucket seats here, and they look like new as well. There you are. We also have this really nice custom console here, so it's got the armrest there, 2 cup holders, which this car would have never came with, and it really just tidies up this whole car. All right, let's close that door. Let's start back here. I'll show you the trunk, and let's just walk down here. And look at the shine on this paint. There's our sign reflecting. The glass looks great as well. Mirrors look like new. These look original, but they are in great condition. We have this really cool Rally Nova stripe here in black. And we'll come down here. There is a little bit of marks you're gonna see along the car, but it just looks great. We got some 427 turbojet badging here, and front grille looks great. SS on the front grille. Front bumper looks great as well. Let's take a look underneath. You can see that looks great as well. You can see those long tube headers down below. And let's take a look here. So we have the fiberglass hood here. So it's got a really big cowl on it. And I think it looks great on this car. All right, here's your engine. So this is the 454 big block motor. And this thing sounds mean. All right, as you can see here, we have the aluminum valve covers there with the bow ties. We have the Edelbrock high-rise intake, an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, and a massive air cleaner here. We have power steering, power brakes, and the hood just looks great with this thing open. All right, let's close the hood now. And take a look here. There's that cowl. And let's check out the wheels on this side here. These wheels really pop on this car with the body style and the silver and the black. All right, back to our door panel on this side here. Again, glass looks great. Let's roll it down. There's your armrest and dash on this side here. And we'll check out the door jambs from this side here. Fisher kick plate looks original. Let's check out that rear seat here. Let's just fold this down. There we are. Again, seat belts are here. We got new seat belts on the front here. And pedals down below. Floor mats. And these really cool bucket seats. All right, we'll scan the seat here. I'll show you the headliner. It also looks good. Dome lights working as well. And we do have seatbelt straps up there as well. All right, let's jump in the car now. We've got a new gauge cluster here, so that's all new. Here's your headlights, your wiper controls, and you can see your dash here. Mileage on the car, we're showing 34,207 miles. I can't stand behind that, that's correct, but that's what's on the wheel, or on the odometer. Here's your steering wheel, a really cool, nice little wheel with billet aluminum with the bow tie. Horn works, and we got your heater controls here, new heater box as well. We have an aftermarket stereo in here, a Sony deck, and it works with this setup here. We have the holes cut out here. We didn't want to disturb that in case you want to put something original in there. You could still do so. And then over here we have the nice tack here, the Sun Pro tack. Nice big tack so you can monitor that motor. Here's your transmission control. It's a 3-speed TH350. And then we have some aftermarket gauges here. And again, that console with the cup holders right here. Lift this up so you can see you can put some stuff in there as well. All right, let's start this beast up. All right, hear the fuel pump kick in. And it fires right up. All right, here's your visors up here. Here's your mirror. Here's your tack. You can see it's all lit up here. You can see it running nicely here. Here's your gauges functioning as well. We'll open up this door here. Let's turn on the lights. And let's give it a couple revs. Oh man, this car is so fun. Let's close this door up now. Let's make our way to the front here. And look how great this car looks. Pure American muscle. There's your lights on there. It just commands attention. It's got that right look, that sound. Spin it around here. Tail lights, and look at the exhaust just rumbling back and forth. Alright, so here we have it. This is a 1972 Chevrolet Nova. It's packing a 454 big block engine, a TH350 3-speed automatic, and brand new Yukon 355 rear gears. Silver on black. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.